Hello and welcome. If you're looking to import projects using Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet, the first step is to actually go to the project's home screen. Right now you're on the main home screen. You can either click on the project's icon or you can go up to the main menu and choose projects. From here, you'll see a list of the projects that are already in your workspace, and you can use all sorts of different add project processes, including from a template. If you see these three dots, then you have access to add projects by Excel import. We call this the More menu. If you click on the More menu, you'll see a drop down of Import Projects or Import Projects and Tasks. You need to be a PMO or System Admin user to see this menu. If you do not see the menu, then you'll need to contact your administrator, either a PMO or System Admin on your team, to complete this import for you. Let's just go ahead and start by importing projects. When you get to the project import screen from Microsoft Excel, you can see a number of different directives, including a tutorial video, this one, that you can watch again and use this link. We highly recommend that you use our Excel template to import the data from your Excel file. You may have your own file, and we recommend instead of just uploading that you take the data points from your Excel file and add them to our Excel template. So I'm going to bring over the Excel file template that you can use. All of these columns are available to you as potential imports. If you don't see a column here, it's not something that can be imported in the Excel function, but if you do not have to add data points to every column. For example, here's a column for the project name. Maybe you don't have a project template. You don't need to fill out anything in this column. And you can choose all the columns that you'd like to populate here, leaving them blank if you don't wish to add any data points. The column headers that are gray refer to elements in the workspace that you need to configure before you import using this Excel template. So if you don't have primary project managers in the workspace, you'll need to add those in Project Insight first so that they can be noted from your Excel import. Or if you'd like to delineate a resource type, or say a department, or a project type, or a project phase or project priority, all of those need to be configured in the Project Insight workspace so that the workspace has something to identify here in your spreadsheet. So if you'd like to do that, you can go back to Project Insight and set up those particular field configurations and then come back and populate them here in your Excel sheet. Once you've gone ahead and completed this spreadsheet, you can save it, and then you'll go to choose File and upload that same spreadsheet that you just saved. You can see the command to upload, or you can even just cancel. And here's some handy instructions for how to go about this import. Once you do import that file, you'll be taken back successfully to your project list, and your templated file import should be here at the tippy top, ready for you to view. Thanks.